first in my bloodline to see the Prime Minister. Biggest prank of 2026. Hey everyone, how you doing? Well, as you can see from the title, today is kinda gonna be a special day cause right now I'm in Jakarta and we are welcoming our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi today, and the event starts at 3. I left Surabaya yesterday around 5 p.m. We reached here around 9 a.m. something. We were using a bus and right now I'm waiting for my friend. We just went to get our costumes done. I mean the outfits and stuff. We had a bath and stuff. And now we are here to drop our bags. And after this, I think we're gonna go get some coffee, chill out for a while, and then the entrance starts. And I'll keep you updated. Hope you have fun. This is Noor.
Hi guys.
She's pretty like her name. There's Noor on her face. And we are meeting after 1 year. And we laugh at everything and anything.
We are mentally
challenged. But it's fun because she's here. Or else I'll be dead.
Yeah.
Now we go look for a cafe. Let
guys.
Noor put her bag in. And we'll go to have fun. This is our bus. The consulate arranged it for us. And we went picking kids from every single stop. But it's okay.
It's okay. It's empty
This is
now,
me.
guys.
This is Noor. Yeah, it's empty now. Because at the venue, we are not allowed to take anything. Just a bag, our passport, and then
That's all.
phone.
Phone.
Yeah, phone. That's it. We just found a cafe. Let's go.
Happy.
Yes. Gula yeah, Spanish latte. Yes. Okay. This girl, she read the whole menu. I ordered, and then she started singing the song. She forgot to order. Our coffee break is done. It was nice. Now we're walking to the venue. It's just here, but thankfully it's not hot. When we were looking for the cafe, it was so hot. Right now it's not. It's windy. It's nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
You go. That's the venue. Way. She says something incredible right now. She's like, first in my bloodline to see the Prime Minister.
Prime Minister.
And that's very true. That's very true.
That too not in India, guys.
Yeah, not in India. That's a flex. This is a flex I'm gonna use for my entire life. But I think it's gonna be quite a crowded event, maybe. But I don't know if we can actually see the PM in person, because the president of Indonesia is gonna be here as well. I mean, we can see them, but I don't know if it's gonna be like face to face.
But still we're gonna meet them.
And I told Noor, it's gonna be a Sone pe Suhaga, like it's gonna be a golden chance if you could just get a good picture. A good picture. No, we get a picture, we don't get picture, we upload it. Anyways.
Yes.
Because the truth is, we can just make AI. We can just show. We can show.
Since we're here, guys.
We were in the same event. So we just tell Gemini, if we take a separate picture.
We take a picture of Modi.
And then, yeah, because who knows, maybe we will label it, it's like AI, but at least it's,
We will get
no, we won't do anything like that, okay?
Stay tuned.
Yeah. Now, we see Indonesians wearing sari and traditional Indian clothes.
Look at us, guys.
Look at us. No, guys, we traveled for more than 12 hours. I don't think
You can't.
I am in the right mindset to actually wear a sari. No, thank you. These are the only photos we can get. What do you think?
Yes. At least.
At least. This girl is so random. She just looked at someone and then she's Gandhi ji. Come on, Noor. It's crazy. VIP. VIP. And diplomats. You know, looking at the crowd, I have now started feeling like I should have just stayed home, you know, travel 13 hours for this. I don't think it's worth it. But this one, say.
We are gonna tell our grandchildren that we went to see Modi ji when we were in Indonesia.
You are the one getting married. I'm gonna adopt. I don't want marriage.
I want 10 kids, guys.
Brings people together beyond borders.
3 hours. 3 hours. We've been here for 3 hours. We're waiting for the VIPs. You hear they scream. They're just screaming for 3 hours. I don't know.
Hours, guys.
I'm tired now. I swear to God, I'm tired. I feel like I should have just stayed home. We've heard Arjit Singh song and now there are 2 more. I'm tired because it's like after this we have to get in the bus and go back to our cities. We are not gonna
10
rest.
hours of travel, right?
13 hours for me, for her 10. I think for me more than 13.
13.
जागे ना सोता है क्या करूँ हाय.
कुछ होता है.
The song you can sing it more louder. Come on, everyone. हाय कुछ होता है.
On the way since 30 minutes.
He is coming, guys. Finally.
Coming. I don't know the ETA. I really wish I should have stayed in Surat.
Same. So
My
is
bed.
calling me.
My bed. We were scammed.
Scam, guys. Successfully.
If I could say something to the Prime Minister, I would ask right now, what's your ETA? What's your ETA? Please tell me what's your estimated time of arrival? We've been waiting for 4 hours.
Very hungry, sleepy, thirsty, everything.
Very. People are pranking. They randomly started clapping so because we cannot see from here like who is walking in and stuff. From behind they can see everything. They randomly start clapping and the people are getting up and there's no one. Aage.
Okay, chalo.
And it's a guy in coat. Then we ask, who is this? Biggest prank of 2026.
Kadakistan. My cousin calling. Guys, prank. This is prank. Whole India's prank. Indonesia also.
I don't understand what she's saying. What are you saying?
Whole India and Indonesia is pranked successfully. In a few minutes. Moment of truth.
Few minutes that has been repeated for 40 minutes. Aega. Aega. जाएगा. मुझे घर जाना.
The President as well as the Prime Minister will shortly be entering the auditorium and we need to be ready to give them a grand welcome.
Bohong number 20. Yes. 25. Bohong terus dari tadi.
President of the Republic of Indonesia, together with the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji,
national leaders were here.
और आप सभी
The event is over and the worst happened. He just waved from the stage and he's gone. He's gone as expected, guys. It's okay. It's okay. This was so. We were April Fooled. Yeah, April Fooled in July. Event is done and we changed clothes. I forgot to get my slippers, so now I'm wearing trousers and t-shirt and I'm walking in heels. Like, imagine, I look like a cartoon, I swear to God.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. No, excuse me. Please, one photo.